Hello my friends, this is Shoiko Deyashi. Today I am going to unbox an amazing gadget from MI, that is MI Home Security Camera 360. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. So let's quickly check out what we are getting inside the box. At first we are getting some user manual. This is the charger and this is the stand for wall mount. This is the power adapter and with the USB cable. And finally the camera. It cost me around 2700 rupees. I bought it from MI Home online store. Trust me, the build quality given by Xiaomi is very nice at that price point. And it looks very good, it feels very good in my hand. Talking about the physical overview of this device, you have the camera lens over here. And just bottom of the camera lens you can insert a SD card for recording those videos, for storing those videos actually. Here you are getting a speaker for talkback feature, and here is the USB port for charging this device, and there is a reset button over here, and this will fit to the stand for mounting in the wall. Apart from these things, there are nothing in the body of this device. Let's talk about the actual feature of this camera. Talking about the highlighted feature of this camera, that it can record up to 1080p Full HD videos, whereas the other cameras that are available in the market that can record up to 720p videos, whereas the MI camera is providing us an extended feature that it can capture Full HD videos, which is really good for the user. Nextly, it has 360 degree all-round vision, means the area of the vision is 360 degree. If you put the camera in the middle of the ceiling of a room, you can track the entire activities of the room just by moving the camera lens. It also has infrared night vision, which is very useful to capture good quality videos in ultra low light condition or no light condition. Therefore, you can easily install the camera in any dark place you want. No doubt it will give you very good outcome. The most important and interesting feature of the camera is AI powered motion detection. It uses the artificial intelligence to detect any kind of suddenly started motion in front of the camera when you are not there. It not just alerts you by sending notification at that time, but it also records the scene as well. According to my personal opinion, this is the best feature that MI has included in their camera. And the talkback feature helps us to communicate with any people in front of the camera from anywhere you are. Let's start the camera. I have already set the arrangements and plugged in the adapter. The cable that you are getting inside the box is quite long, that you don't have to face any kind of problem if your power outlet is little bit far from the area where you want to install the camera. I have already switched on the camera. Now it is starting.
Scan QR code or use Bluetooth to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
It is saying waiting for connection. We will need one application called MI Home for connecting the camera with our smartphone, and we also require a router connection for the internet connectivity of the camera. After installing the application, you need to go to the Add Device option. The camera will be detected by your mobile phone, and here you need to enter the password of your home Wi-Fi.
Waiting for connection.
I have entered and then proceeded. One QR code is generated, and you need to show this QR code in front of the camera so that it can scan.
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait. Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
After a successful setup, it will look like this. You can control the camera from your mobile. Like this way, you can control the camera from your mobile phone very easily. Thank you for watching.